Good morning, everyone. My name is Ayush Kumar Singh. I am from ECFA University, Dehradun, currently pursuing my legal internship from Nexus and Company. So, today we are going to start the topic Article 12 of Indian Constitution. Article 12 defines the term state for the purpose of the fundamental rights. It includes the government bodies and the Parliament of India, and the government and the legislature of each of the state and local authorities or other authorities within the territory of India or under the control of the government of India. Article 12 does not define other authorities. It's on the ambit of the court to define the width of the topic, and the scope of the fundamental rights also increases. Now, what is local authority? The expression local authority refers to the unit of the self-local government. Local authorities means a municipal community, district board, or other authorities legally entitled to or entrusted by the government within the control or management of municipal or local funds. The characteristics of other authority to be local authority were noted by the Supreme Court in the case of Union of India versus R.C. Jain. The authority must have a special legal extension or corporate body. It must function as a defined area. It must enjoy certain degree of autonomy with freedom to decide for itself. It must be entrusted by statutes with such government function and duties. It must have the power to raise fund for the activities and fulfillment of its project by levying taxes, charges, or fees. Now, moving towards the other authorities. The expression other authorities has neither been defined in the Constitution or nor in any statutes. It is therefore left for the court to interpret this expression so that dimension of scope and the width of the fundamental rights increases. In the case of University of Madras versus Santabai, AIR 1954, in this case, the Madras High Court evaluated the principle of aequium generis, which means only authorities that perform government or sovereign function can include under Article 12. In the next case, the Electricity Board Rajasthan versus Mohanlal, AIR 1967, the Supreme Court held that other authorities would include all authorities created by constitution or statutes on which power are conferred by law. It, it was not necessary that the authorities such should be engaged in performing government or sovereign function. In Ajay Hasia versus Khalid Mujid Hesabri, AIR 1981, where a society registered under Societies Registration Act running the Regional Engineering College, sponsored, financially supported, and supervised by the government, was held to be an authority for the purpose of Article 12. The court laid down the following test of adjudge whether the body is instrumentality for the government or not. The first point is if the entire share capital of the corporate is held by the government. Second, extension of deep and pervasive state control. Third, whether the financial assessment of the state is so much as to meet almost entire expenditure of the corporation. Fourth, whether the corporation enjoys monopoly status which in state confers of state protection. Fourth, if the function of the corporation are for public importance. Fifth, if a department of government is transferred to corporation. And sixth, if on consideration of these factors is to find that the corporation is an instrumentality or the agency of government, it would be an authority and therefore a state within the meaning of Article 12. Now, private entities as state. In case of MC Mehta versus Sri Ram Fertilizers Limited 1987, the Supreme Court extended the ambit of Article 12, primarily due to the social consequences of a corporate structure. The court stressed that the ambit of the Article 12 need to be enlarged so as to being the private companies also under the discipline of the fundamental rights. Further, in the case of J.P. Unnikrishna versus State of Andhra Pradesh, the court held that the private educational institute cannot be allowed to violate Article 14 as they are performed function in furtherance of a state function that is previous of for educations. So here's the end of the topic, and I hope you like the video. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.